Here's a Nanny Bubby tidbit. What is black garlic and when should you use it? And when you do, what's the difference? Black garlic is odor-free, which means you don't have to worry about that terrible after breath. It's aged for a month in a special fermentation process under high heat where it develops its darker color, its softer texture, and the sweeter taste, which is much sweeter than regular garlic. The fermentation process creates a molasses-like flavor in this black garlic that just has a very slight garlicky undertone. It can be eaten raw, and you don't have to worry. Wow, the texture of a dried fruit, yet there's a tangy, really sweet flavor to it. I think I like this.